know how to make functional, durable plastic parts with 3D printing? Now you can learn it with our free courses on SLS 3D printing. My name is Andreas Andersen. I work here at DTI, Danish Technological Institute, where we just released free courses on industrial 3D printing. What you will learn in this course is when to use SLS as a production method, and also how to design for it, and essentially also what is the properties of parts made with SLS. Join 3,000 other people who have already taken our courses, and you can watch it on our YouTube for free.